Start.
Give sound also. Hello children, I am AK sir from Manav English School. How are you children? I feel you all are fine today. These days we are belonging to COVID-19. Therefore, classroom education is not essential to us. Only online education is essential. Today, we are going to take an initiative for taking online classes. Just take your copy out of your bag and write down whatever things I'd like to teach you on the blackboard. Write down the things. 6 sentences of each and every kind of tenses. Write down the things. Before going to teach each and every sentence, I would like to give you some information about the things. There are 6 sentences. First is affirmative. Second is negative. Third is interrogative. Fourth is interrogative and negative. Fifth is WH question. And sixth is WH question and negative. These are the 6 sentences by means of which we speak, we write, we learn each and everything from our books. Except these 6 sentences, there is no even any sentence in the classroom program that would give you something good knowledge. First, I would like to teach you about affirmative sentence. Write down at the top of your copy affirmative. Of present tense. This is the first kind of present indefinite tense, affirmative. Suppose take an example. I eat a mango. This is a simple sentence that belongs to affirmative of present indefinite. Second is negative sentence. Negative sentence that take negation in its form. And in present indefinite, we use do not or does not in negative sentence. What would be the sentence in negative? I eat a mango is affirmative. Therefore, it should be I don't eat a mango. Now you write according to your copy. Third is interrogative. In interrogative sentence in present indefinite, we use do or does first. Your primary sentence is I eat a mango, therefore it should be do I eat a mango. Sign of interrogation here. It is because present indefinite sentence in interrogative we give do or does. Therefore, I have given here do. Next is fourth, interrogative and negative. In interrogative and negative, as these words tell us, interrogative means do or does and negative means negation. That means I have to give do or does and not in this sentence. The sentence should be do I not eat a mango? Sign of interrogation. And next is fifth sentence, that is WH question. That is WH question. Here it is clear enough. I have written on the blackboard WH question. What does WH question mean? WH words is equal to how, why, when, what, which, whose. These are the WH words by means of which we make sentences, and that is called WH sentences. Please make sentence. First you take how. How means kaise. How means kaise. How do I eat a mango? Sign of interrogation. And next sentence is WH question negative. Sixth sentence, WH question and the negative. As you know, your WH word is how, why, when, what, which, whose. These are the WH words. And by taking any one word, we make WH question negative. As it is clear enough, we have WH words and negation also. Negation means not. Therefore, the sentence should be how do I not eat a mango? Children, now I understand you have understood whatever I have taught you on the blackboard. Now, in present indefinite, your sentences are being ended. We are going in next tense. Next tense, present imperfect. In the same way, like present indefinite, we have 6 sentences for present imperfect also. First is affirmative. Your example should be I am eating a mango. Very simple. Next is negative. I am not eating a mango. Third is interrogative. Write down fast. Helping verb should come first in interrogative sentence. Your helping verb is am. Therefore, you write here, am I eating a mango? Sign of interrogation. Fourth is interrogative and negative. As it is clear enough, interrogative and negative. Interrogative we have to give here interrogative words and the negation, not. Your interrogative word is am I not eating a mango? And fifth is WH question. Write down fast. WH question. At your copy, please. WH question. Take and WH word. Take why. Why am I eating a mango? And last is WH question and negative. Your sixth is WH question and negative. As you already know, WH question takes WH word and negative take negation, yani not. Your WH word is phi. Phi am I not eating a mango. These are the things, and these are the 6 sentences of present indefinite and present imperfect. And likewise, I have to write and I have to learn 6 sentences of present perfect continuous, and so on in past tense and future tense. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.